Hi, everyone. Well being, physical, emotional, mental, all feeds into immunity, underpinned by gut health. So, how do all of these come together to create a picture of wellness? The first thing that we need to understand is the link between the brain and the gut. There is a nerve in our physical body called the vagal nerve. The vagal nerve acts as a conduit between the brain and the gut, helping the two to communicate either positively or negatively based on the stimulus created by the five senses. So here's an example. You watch something, you see something, it triggers a response, positive or negative. This feeds from the vagal nerve both into the central nervous system and into the gut. Also, 90% of serotonin is produced in our gut. Serotonin is the happy hormone. In states of depression, you have reduced serotonin levels. So we want to ensure that our serotonin levels are kept optimal. 90% produced in the gut. 70% of our immunity sits in our gut. So this means that everything that we are feeding into the gut, primarily from an intake, a food intake perspective, is feeding directly back to the brain through the vagal nerve. So this is, in very simple terms, the connection between the brain and the gut, the importance that the gut plays in overall immunity, in overall mental, physical, emotional well-being. Over the course of the next couple of days, we'll talk a bit more about the vagal nerve and how we use the vagal nerve as a key trigger point to influence both the brain and the gut for overall well-being. Thanks for listening.